In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make multiple payments on a Wells Fargo credit card. Let's get started. First, launch your Wells Fargo app or navigate to the official website of Wells Fargo, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now from your account dashboard, select your Wells Fargo credit card. Then tap or click Pay and Transfer and choose Make a Payment. Select the bank account you want to pay from. Enter the payment amount, choose the payment date, review the details and confirm the payment. Once your payment has been submitted, you will receive a confirmation that it has been scheduled for processed. If you want to make another payment, simply return to Make a Payment section after your previous payment has been processed or scheduled. Enter a new payment amount, choose the same or a different payment date, and submit the second payment. You can repeat this process whenever you need to make additional payments throughout the month. Many cardholders make weekly, bi-weekly, or extra payments to reduce their balance before the statement closing date or to avoid carrying a large balance. If you pay from your account at another bank, you can first link that external account to your Wells Fargo profile and then use it as your payment source. You can also make multiple payments to your other bank's online bill pay service as long as each payment is scheduled separately. Before submitting several payments, make sure you have enough money available in your bank account to cover each transaction. Also allow time for each payment to process, especially if you are paying from an external financial institution. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.